Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and where you're watching from. We are here today again on our chemistry preparatory class for YL 2025. And I bet you cannot escape questions from pH and pOH. Now the question on the board, given that the concentration of tetraoxosulfate acid is 0.003 mole per dm³. The question is calculate I, the hydrogen ion concentration, II, the hydroxide ion concentration, III, the pH, IV, the pOH. Solution. The first thing you need to do is to write the formula of tetraoxosulfate acid, which is written as H2SO4 in aqueous state. When this ionizes in solution, it gives 2 hydrogen ion and 1 mole of sulfur 6 ion SO4 2 minus. Now the concentration of H2SO4 is given to us from equation as 0.003 mole per dm³. It means to get the hydrogen ion concentration, these 2, which is the 2 moles of hydrogen ion multiplied by the entire concentration of H2SO4. That's 2 times 0.003 all in mole per dm³. If you multiply very well, your answer will be 0.006 mole per dm³. That is the hydrogen ion concentration. This symbol in chemistry means concentration, and whatever that is inside, that is hydrogen ion, means concentration of hydrogen ion. So in standard form, the concentration of hydrogen ion will be 6.0 or 6 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 3 mole per dm³. And the second question is the hydroxide ion. Remember that the relationship between the hydroxide ion, which is hydrogen ion concentration, and the hydroxide ion concentration will be equal to what? 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 14. Where hydrogen ion concentration is already what? Determined as 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Just carry it like this, paste it here. You substitute for hydrogen ion. It will give you now 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 multiplied by hydroxide ion concentration, all equals to what? 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 14. Making hydroxide ion the subject of the formula, you divide by the coefficient, which is 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. That will give you that hydroxide ion will be equals to what? 10 raised to the power of minus 14 all over 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. It means that hydroxide ion is equals to 1 over 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 14, that's minus 3. Hydroxide ion concentration will be equals to 1 divided by 6, that will give you 0.167 approximate, multiplied by 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 14, minus times minus will give you plus 3. Then the hydroxide concentration OH minus will be equals to, convert this to standard form, that will give you 1.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 14 plus 3, that will give us minus 11. Meaning that the hydroxide OH minus concentration is equal to 1.67 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 1 minus 11. Then finally, the hydroxide ion OH minus concentration is equal to 1.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 minus 11 will give us minus 12. And the unit is mole per dm³. Then question number 3, the pH. Recall that the man called Sorensen in 1909 defined pH as the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration to the base of 10. That statement can be mathematically expressed as what? pH is equal to what? Minus log 10 raised to the power of what? Hydrogen ion concentration. Where hydrogen ion concentration is already determined as 6 times 10 power minus 3 mole per dm³ or molar. Which means that our pH now will be equal to what? Minus log 10 raised to the power 6 times what? 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Then leave this your minus outside. Use log 10 to multiply whatever that is in the bracket, to open the bracket. You mean that pH is equal to minus outside the bracket is equal to log 10 times 6 will give you log 10 power 6 by in the 6. This multiplication is plus That is log 10 times 10 power 3 give you log 10 raised to power 10 raised to power of minus 3. Mean that pH is equals to minus log 10 raised to power 6 minus, of course, by indices, this minus 3 will become minus 3 log 10 raised to power of 10. By indices also, log 10 raised to power 10 is equals to 1. It means that pH is equals to minus log 10 power 6 minus, of course, minus 3 times 1 will give us what? Minus 3. Mean that pH is equals to minus outside log 10 power 6 will give us 0.778 minus 3. And 0.778 minus 3 will give us minus 2.222. Multiply by the minus outside, our pH is equals to 2.22. So 2.22 is the pH. Then the pOH. The pOH. Recall that pH plus pOH is equals to what? 14. The pH is already determined. Carry it like this and paste it under pH. It means 2.282 plus pOH is equals to 14. Make pOH the subject of the formula. pOH is equals to 14 minus 2.22, and that will give us 11.78. 11.78. Since pH is 2.22, approximately 2, it means that the solution is highly what? Or strongly acidic. Because the pH of a solution from 0 to 3 is what? Strongly acidic. Of course, from 3.5 down to 6.5 is mildly acidic. Then since the pOH is around 11, it means it's mildly basic. Hope you like this video. Do comment and share. Follow my page, Superstar School of Science, for more of chemistry lessons. Our utmost priority is your success in all your exams, including this upcoming WAEC. See you in our next class. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Please share.